Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at Alibaba as well as some ETFs. So without further ado, let's first start off with BABA. So as you can see, BABA actually seems to be weaker compared to the other constituents. So on the way down, the cloud should act as a support. But unfortunately, the cloud support seems to have broken down in the past week. Looking at the Fibonacci support, from a high of 121.3 to a recent low of $58, you can see that we are in fact at the 50% Fibonacci support at around $88 to $89. In the event that we actually break down that support level, potentially the next support is at $82.19 or even $73. So looking at the resistance on the way up, the first resistance is around $93, $94. And the second resistance is pretty far away above the $100 psychological resistance at 104. So let's move on to 9988. So a similar situation can be seen on 9988. As you can see, we are next to the 50% Fibonacci support level. Two resistance to watch. First one will be 92. Second one will be around 102 levels. And in the event that we actually break down this $89 support, 83 and 74 is the next two supports to watch out for 9988. So moving on to KWEB. So for KWEB, we actually did see a bounce of this 61.8% pretty nicely last week. So that was a very good sign for KWEB. In fact, you can see that on Wednesday and Thursday, midweek, we actually managed to close above this blue conversion line at around $30. And the next target we're looking at is this red baseline at 32.43. In the event that we can actually cross this, potentially we can retest back this $36. But if the $28 or $29 were to break down once again, then the next support we're looking is $26.70 and $24.40. Next up, we have CWEB. So for CWEB, we actually broke down the cloud support only to come back up thereafter. 50% support level was around $44 or $45. So we actually hold this support. The next support after the $40 psychological support would be around $38. And for the resistance, we cleared this blue conversion line rather. So the blue conversion line was around $49. So the previous resistance has turned into support. And the next target we're looking at is around $57, $58 on this ETF. So lastly, we have FXI. So for FXI, we are looking at the bounce next to the last cloud support level. We have yet to test this 27.13 at 50% Fibonacci support, and we're looking at a bounce immediately. So the next target we're looking is around 30.50 for FXI. So overall, you can see that the ETFs are in fact seeing a good rebound. But BABA, on the other hand, is slightly a lag behind. So hopefully buyers do come in to support Alibaba next week. In the event that we can actually see more buying pressure, then hopefully we can see a rebound just like the three ETFs. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.